So, one certain time I was passing along the road and I heard two Igbo people conversating, and one of them said, Oroya, more than 3 times. I said, wow, what a wonderful Igbo is this. Oroya, more than 3 times. So I said, well, is it that there is no way to express more than 3 times in the Igbo language? Well, that's why I decided to bring this video to you. That's what motivated this video you're watching right now. So, more than 3 times. How do we say more than 3 times in the Igbo language? But before we get there, let's start by saying how many times. How do you ask someone how many times in the Igbo language? So to ask someone how many times in the Igbo language, you simply say Mbere ole. Mbere ole. That's how many times. Mbere ole ko obia. How many times did she come? Mbere ole ko oriri. How many times did she eat food? Mbere ole. That's how to ask how many times in the Igbo language. Mbere ole ki kiri ihe nkiri. How many times did you watch this video? That's how many times. So if you now want to say 3 times, 4 times, remember the statement that guy made is Mporoya, more than 3 times, more than 4 times, rather 4 times. But let's assume you now want to answer the question 3 times, 4 times. How do you say it? You say Mwerato 3 times, Mwerano 4 times, Mwerise 6 times, Mwerabo 2 times, Mwerone ki nria. Remember, some other Igbo dialects use one, while others use ole. Ole is the academic Igbo, but a whole lot of Igbos will also say one. So mberone or mberole. So when I ask you mberole ki kiri ihe nkiri, you tell me ekiri ya mberato. I watched it 3 times. Mberole ko obia. Obiara mberano. He came 4 times. So now when you now want to say more than 4 times, it become what so the question will now be, how do you express more than in Igbo language? To express more than in the Igbo language, you say carrier, carrier, carrier. More than 4 times, carrier umberano. More than 5 times, carrier umberise. So what that man was supposed to say, instead of saying oroya more than 4 times, he was supposed to say oroya carrier umbere ano. Oroya carrier umbere ano. So I hope this is really clear. So in this video you've learned how to say how many times. Use it to ask questions. How many times did something happen? How many times? You now know how to say 4 times, 3 times, 5 times, and you know how to say more than 4 times, more than 5 times. Carrier umbere say more than 5 times. Carrier umbere ano more than 4 times. Carrier umbere ato more than 3 times. Carrier umbere abo more than 2 times. Now it's good I let you know that umbere is derived. You know, some words are derived from ungwe. Ungwe. It's derived from the word ungwe. And ungwe can sometimes be used, it can be a synonym in some regards to oge. You know, oge is time in Igbo. Oge is time. Oge is time. And you know, there are some words that are synonyms. There are some places that where oge can go, ungwe can go. There are some sentences that you use oge, ungwe can go, ungwe. You can also use time. Ke ungwe obia. Ke ungwe obia. When did she come? Now, ke ungwe is like what time, but that's how to say when in Igbo language. Or ke oge obia. You can see, I can either say ke ungwe obia. When did she come? What time did she come? But that's to say when did she come? Ke oge obia. When did she come? So that the same thing. So ungwe and oge can at times be used interchangeably. When did she eat the food? Go riri ahu. When did she eat the food? Go riri ahu. Or ke mgbe o riri nri ahu. Ke mgbe o riri ahu. Please don't mistake it with ke mgbe. There is difference between ke mgbe. You can see that is ke is different. Mgbe is written differently. Don't mistake it is kemwe, written together. Kemwe, when it is written together, means since. Kemwe, since. Kemwo toto, since morning. Kemwe, since afternoon. Remember, eye is also efifi for some Igbo speakers. Kemwe abale, since night. Remember, abale is abale, night is for some Igbo speakers we also say abale, abale. These are the two most popular ways in Igbo land to express night. There are other dialects, but these are two most popular ways. It's always good you know the popular things you get to hear. Kemwo toto is not, it's differentiated from kemwe. Kemwe, when. Kemwe, why kemwe, since morning, since kemwo toto, kembaba. If you found this video very informative, please like and share. Meanwhile, our paid Igbo reading classes for next month is around the corner. Now, this Igbo reading class is a class whereby we'll be reading an Igbo novel titled One Ma, written by Mark Obonaya. One Ma is an Igbo novel written by Mark Obonaya. We'll be reading it. We will be either in a WhatsApp. Every one of us will be in either a WhatsApp group or a Telegram group, and we'll be reading the novel together via screen sharing. So it has a PDF format. The novel has a PDF format, which you can as well get for less than $4. It's not that much. For less than $4, you can get the PDF format of the novel One Ma by Mark Obonaya. So we'll be reading by screen sharing. We're reading the PDF format by screen sharing. So you'll be following me word after word. So this Igbo reading class is suitable for intermediary Igbo learner who wants to, if you're an intermediate Igbo learner, you want to perfect your Igbo skills, you want to perfect your Igbo skills, or you're the kind of person that you understand the Igbo language, but you find it difficult to speak, to read, and to write. This is your opportunity, because in this Igbo reading class, you'll be reading along with me. You'll be learning how to properly pronounce words. We'll be focusing on proper pronunciation of words. We'll be highlighting keywords, which I'll give you the meaning, and also help you making sentences, and give you assignment for you to make your own sentences, which you will submit in the WhatsApp group or Telegram group, which later within the week I'll get to mark through voice notes and write up. Then you are still learning lots of Igbo proverbs, because this Igbo novel One Ma has a lot of Igbo proverbs right from the first paragraph. In fact, the first chapter already contains 2-3 Igbo proverbs. So you'll be learning a whole lot of Igbo proverbs when you read this Igbo novel titled One Ma. So to brushing up your skills on pronunciation of words, help you to acquire more Igbo vocabulary, more words, and learn how to make use of those words. So if you're interested in registering for this Igbo reading class, it's a paid Igbo reading class, which is $27. Copy this link on the screen, and put it in your web browser to access the registration page. Thank you.